Affixing the magnetic attachment. The Specchio comes with a case containing the mirror and the magnetic attachment, a title page, a lens wipe, and instructions on both how to affix the magnetic attachment to your glasses and how to use the Specchio on the bike. The Specchio assembly consists of two pieces, the mirror and the magnetic attachment. Remove the magnetic attachment and mirror from the packaging. Line the silver dot on the mirror base with the silver dot on the magnetic attachment so they point up in a 12 o'clock position. Without removing the red backing to the magnetic attachment, test fit the assembly to your left glasses lens. Place it as far up and out on the lens as possible. Ensure the silver dot on the magnetic attachment faces up. If there's a cutout on your lens, avoid placing the attachment there. If your glasses are the wraparound type, swept back lenses, position the magnetic attachment 1/4 to 1/2 inch from the upper left edge of the lens. Clean your lens using the provided wipe. Allow to dry thoroughly. Now, remove the red backing to expose the adhesive on the magnetic attachment. Apply the assembly to your glasses lens as before. Remove the mirror and apply pressure to the magnet assembly for 30 seconds to secure the adhesive. The attachment is now set. If you ever wish to remove the magnetic attachment, use a credit card or other non-scratching device to pry the assembly from the lens. This is what your Specchio should look like after affixing it to your glasses. A more permanent attachment can be achieved using superglue. Use extreme care when using glue around your lens. When storing your glasses, the mirror can be kept separately in the plastic case for protection.